Hey guys, hope you're well. Today I'm going to make you a special chocolate cake. The reason it's special is because I'm making this for a friend of mine, and her name is Lulu, and she asked me if I could make her a cake that requires the minimum amount of equipment because she's recently moved and she doesn't really have anything to bake with. And she asked me to make her a cake for her boyfriend whose birthday is around the corner. And basically what this cake is whatever Lulu has in her pantry and whatever equipment is available to her is what we're going to use to make this cake. There's no electric whisk, there's no stand mixer, no piping bag, so it's really down to the bare minimum. It's called Lulu's chocolate cake, and I've got all the recipes at the bottom of the comment sections for you. We will get to it shortly. For the ganache, we just use two ingredients: dark chocolate and cream, and it's best to make that first before you start baking your cake so that you can leave that to the side so that it will come to room temperature, so it will be ideal for piping later. After that, we're gonna make a cake in a loaf tin because that's all Lulu has available, and we'll try and make it look nice despite it being loaf-like. Other than that, we have brown sugar, cocoa powder, self-raising flour for our dry ingredients, and chocolate chip, milk, lemon juice, oil, water with a bit of coffee, and 2 eggs. And that's all the ingredients we need for our actual cake. And later on I will tell you what you need to decorate the cake as well, which won't be a lot more than just a couple of ingredients. So let's get to it.